Hey everyone, Dan the Fisherman here. Out here on Lake Maumelle today. It's post-frontal conditions. We just had a pretty good cold front come through, knocked down everything by about 10-15 degrees. Water temp is about 52 degrees right now. I ain't been shooting a lot of content here in a little bit in the last month or so. I've been in the woods chasing whitetail. So I figured, bright sunny day, why not come out today and try to catch a few bass. I hope you guys enjoy the content. We'll see what we get into today. We got real windy conditions today, about 22 to 25 mile an hour gust. So I'm trying to stay off the main lake for the most part because it's a mess out there. Ooh, that felt like a fish. Oh, shucks. Oh, limb brim. Got me good, cuz. Got me excited. I don't know if you guys can hear that wind, but surely you can see that stuff ripping through there. Lake Maumelle is probably the lowest I've seen it ever. Come on. Oh yeah, I knew I had something. That's what's up, baby. Stay patted. Ah, yeah, baby. Fritz side action. Boy. Oh, thank you, Lord. Mwah. There we go. About a pound and a quarter or so. First fish of the day on that Fritz side 5. Just throwing it right here along this rocky bank. I kind of just speeding it in. It's a nice fish there. Thanks, Bubba. Ugh. Yes. Don't let no cold water be getting you down thinking you can't catch no fish. You can catch some fish. Just gotta believe you can. All I was doing was kind of burning it kind of fast, sweeping a little bit, and he just hammered me. Oh, Fritz side, baby. Hands are numb now. Probably need to dry them off and warm them up. Anytime you're wintertime fishing, I always suggest you bring some sort of towel, dry your hands off, because hands getting cold would be one of your biggest enemies out here. The trot line's out for other people. Can't tell you how many times it's happened at this lake. Somebody have an old trot line just stuck to the bank somewhere. Then you run into it with one of your hooks. And good luck getting a hook out of nylon without busting your lure off. You're probably gonna break your lure off. And then you're gonna cuss them. Because you're gonna be like, what kind of sorry sucker, comes out to the lake and leaves a bunch of nylon on. That's what I want. Alright, that's another one on the Fritz side. About a pound, maybe just less than. Oh, shoot. Not bad. Thanks, bud. Sorry, buddy. Sorry about the eye. Alright, there's another one. About a half a pound on the front side again. See you, bud. Thank you. Alright, guys. Go ahead and wrap it up for the day. We didn't catch a bunch of bass, but we definitely caught some after a code front, which shows it can be done. Didn't have to slow down with a shaky head worm or nothing. Caught everything we caught today. It came off of our Fritz Side 5. Little flat-sided square bill. It does real good in these cold water conditions, and the water was real muddy, so I was throwing this red color. Seemed to be getting all my bites today. I threw a buzz bait for a few minutes, threw a jig, threw a few other things, but they just wasn't committing to it. Got them to bite that Fritz side though. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dan the Fisherman. See you guys on the next one.